where do you get the money to buy these lows here? When the stock drops, you're buying. Are you Petrus Mutsip? Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Technical Analysis with Lennox. As you already know, my name is Lennox Ngobeni, and this video is brought to you by Infinox. Without Infinox, I wouldn't be recording this 20 minutes long video. As you all know, I love to keep it short and simple so that I get to do other things in life and make money myself like you do on your 9 to 5. But with a brand like Infinox, we are able to cover all your requests from Twitter. And let's just speak a little bit about copy trading. I know a lot of people get scared when we start talking about trading and whatnot. But here's what copy trading is, right? You don't have to be a professional trader like myself for you to be a profitable trader. Infinox has this nice platform called IX Social. Basically, what the platform is a platform where you find expert traders like myself, where they are registered, and you can get to see their profitability. And if you like what you see, or you like that particular trader's profile, you can easily copy their trade. They do not have access to your money, they don't have access to your account. What you do, you're simply trading what they are trading. So basically, that's what copy trading is in a nutshell, and just how you can download the IX Social app. Simply click the link in the description below. It will take you to this website. Just simply click the IX Social, whether you are team Twitter for iPhone or Twitter for Android. Infinox will sort you out. Just click on the icon that suits your needs. If you are using an iPhone, MacBook, iPad, just click on the App Store icon. Or if you are part of the Android gang, click on the Google Play icon, and you'll get your IX Social on your mobile. Simply register and everything else will make sense. That's IX Social by Infinox. Trading power. Now let's look at some Twitter requests here. I think I'll go through every request here, except those that we've covered recently. And the first request is by Grace Projects and Investments. This looks like a company, so this admin is very notorious. The company requested for SPA, and that's the chart on my screen. Right, when I'm looking at this chart here, first thing I notice is this strong resistance at this level here, and we have a very strong support which ranges from that level to about this level here. So let's just mark these prices here. It ranges from 135 to 109 rands per share. So that will be the support on the stock, and this is where the buy zone is. We saw this stock rejecting here, showing us that this buy zone is valid, and it's quite sensitive, right? So this is our support on the stock, and it looks like market might just come back to retest this level here. And if you're looking to enter a position on this stock here, getting a position around this area here would be a nice entry point for you. But otherwise, the stock is looking fairly okay. I think it has been abused for quite some time, and we might just see some some upside potential on the stock. And here I'm just trying to, I think there's some sort of a descending trend here, which has been tested here at this level of 133 going into 135. So that actually correlates with the support level that I just spoke about. And that'll be my analysis on the stock. The stock is looking okay. It's looking like we might just get some turnaround on the stock. But with that being said, just be mindful that you might just come back to 109, and this would be a perfect buy zone for me. And from there, your target can be around let's put it at 200 rands per share. That'll be my target on the stock. Now let's go to the next analysis or the next request. This is a request by Dave. As for, I think this is Xaro and African Rainbow. I think we did actually speak about this not so long, and I don't think they need updating. Okay, so here's what's going on here. So we have this support at let's call it 230, and this is it's a very nice buy zone here. The resistance at I think this is approximately 300 rands per share. And here's what I'm expecting here. So this, like I said, this is a nice buy zone on the stock, and we have a resistance at 300 rands per share. I'm expecting this stock to go test this resistance here, and then from here we can get a rejection, possibly to this point. If you are looking for position on the stock, just hope that the stock will come back again to this support zone here. But the stock is looking bullish. There's high chances that it might just break above this resistance here. But in the meantime, let's stick to this resistance here. Let's have our target at 300 rands per share, and then we'll take it from there. That'll be my analysis on African Rainbow. Now let's go to Xaro. Last time we spoke about this stock here. Spoke about this this resistance here, and market is currently trading above this resistance here. I think I also spoke about a support around this level here, so let's just try to come up with the trend here. So this stock is looking bullish, and I can see the bullish build up here. I think the last time I spoke about it, I said it was gonna test this support here. Yeah, I think we missed it by some few rands, and the stock is now up and it's looking bullish. This resistance here is this is let's call it 210 rands per share, and the stock is looking to break above this ascending trend here. We can expect a breakout in some few days on Xaro. So the stock is looking bullish. I am having a bullish outlook, although we didn't get another nice entry point at 170, but the stock is looking bullish. So just keep an eye on the stock. That'll be my analysis on Xaro. Now let's go to the next one. I think this is Combined Motors. So the first thing that I'm noticing here is this nice aggressive price movement here. It's nice aggressive price movement here. This is looking healthy, and this should tell you that there's still some upside potential on the stock. We can still expect the stock to reach yearly highs. I think the lowest that the stock can go to is this level here, which is approximately, let's call it 220, not 22 rands per share. But the stock is looking bullish. Just need some bit of patience, because you can see that the stock is moving in an uptrend that is not so it's not that volatile, but yeah, I think in the long run this stock is looking great. The first target on the stock, to put it at this is 32 rands, I'm assuming. Let's put it at 34 rands per share on combined motor holdings. That'll be my analysis on the stock. The stock is looking bullish. It's trading on an uptrend, and the risk that you're exposing yourself into is just this possible drawback to this support here, which is approximately 23% from current price. And that'll be my analysis on this stock here. This is a request by Sean. And the next one is the request by Lazi. He or she requested for Hulamin. Is it Hulamin or Halamin? Whatever you prefer to call it. So the stock did take a knock this year. I think it should be down. Let's see. Approximately 37% this year, and it actually reached this low here for
1 sec. I didn't catch that. Could you try?
So it reached this low of 2 rands and 14 cents, and this is looking like a nice buy zone here. I think we might just get a retest at breakout point here, which is around 3 rands and 27 cents. So that's where I see this stock going. It's looking fairly okay. It has dropped quite a bit, and we should get some retracement now. We should get some price recovery on the stock. So the first target would be right there at 320 cents per share, and the second target is at 5 rands. And just remember, you're exposing yourself to this risk here. The stock can potentially go to this level of 1 rand per share, and that'll be a drawback of approximately 60% from current price. So when you're taking this position here, just be mindful of this possibility here. But the stock is looking fairly okay. I'd be happy to take a position. Just be cautious of this risk that you're exposing yourself into. And that'll be my analysis on Hulamin. The next one is the request by Makovin. Okay. Requested for block. Interesting stock here. When I'm looking at this stock here, I can see this head and shoulder here, which has a neckline at this level here. So this level is $37 per share, and the stock is not it's not looking too great. I'm still expecting a further downside to the support. which is this level here. So the stock can move to this level here, and this would be approximately 40% from current price. So the stock is not looking too good. A buy zone on the stock would be around $37 per share, and that's what I'd personally wait for. The stock is not yet looking bullish, and that'll be my analysis on block. Now let me go to the next analysis, which is so we covered Sasol, multi-asset guy. We covered Sasol recently, and the analysis is still up to date. So just scroll down on my YouTube page, and you'll find that analysis. Let's go to Tungela. Tungela. Last time I spoke about this stock, I said the stock is too hot for me. I didn't want to be taking position. I think at the time it was trading around 210, if I'm not mistaken. And I said the stock can possibly go to 300 rands per share. Although I didn't really focus this movement to close to 400 rands per share, because we saw it hitting a high of 382 rands per share. I think this was about last week. So you saw it hitting this all-time high here. I did see 300 on the stock, but not 380. I'm not gonna lie to you. So currently, my opinion on the stock is still the same. The stock is still too hot for my liking, and as you can see, so I think the dividend has just been priced in here. It was yesterday? I think it was yesterday. So this is market is not. I think we are seeing some selling pressure on the stock, and this can potentially take the stock to about this level here. This is 270. Going to about 259. That'll be the first support on the stock. The second one is around the lower 200s. And if you're looking to take position on the stock, this would be the buy zones here. Let me just mark this for you. 260 right there. 210 just right there. Personally, the stock is too hot for me. If you don't hold a position as yet, or if you didn't buy lower, you might be exposing yourself into a lot of risk. There's a lot of risk that is involved in buying a stock so high, and that'll be my 2-cent opinion on Tungela. Let me see if we have more requests here. So I'll take this last request by Z2. She requested for GPLO Limited. And all I can say here is I can spot a resistance here. Resistance there, which has its support at that level here. And market has recently covered this gap here. It's covered this gap here. So you can expect some rejection from here. But personally, a nice buy zone on the stock is around 0.68 Australian dollars. I didn't take a position at this current price level here. I'd personally wait for this level to be reached here, and it's quite possible we're seeing this triple testing here, or this triple top here, which can possibly take the stock to 0.68 Australian dollars. But looking at the all-time data here, the stock is still trading solo. It's still trading to its lowest low. It's close to its lowest low, but Like I said, just to be on the safest side, I'd personally wait for a test at this level here. And when I'm looking at this chart, there's another gap here, market gap here, which the stock might just come and close here. So for me, I'm neither bullish or bearish on the stock. I'd usually wait for a test at this support here. Otherwise, the stock can miss me. And that'll be my analysis on Deep Yellow Limited. Now let's look at PPC, right? So if you've been following me for quite some time, you'd know that I've covered this stock, I think, in the beginning of the year, and I called for bulls on this stock here. And I know this stock is not requested. Just hear me out. I want to say something here. I actually called for bulls. I don't remember where the stock was at the time, but I was too ambitious on the stock, and it actually disappointed me. It didn't go my way, and I'm not gonna come here and say, hey, I'm a long-term investor. When the stock tanks, I am happy because I'll get to buy low. That's rubbish. Let's not let's not lie to ourselves and say we get excited when stocks go down and all of that because we get to buy low. Where do you get the money to buy these lows here? When the stock drops, you're buying. Are you Petrus Mutsip? Come on, guys. Don't do that. When the stock goes down, I'm a long-term investor. I don't care about share price. But when the stock goes up, hey, all of a sudden you're posting share prices and you're posting profits. Which one is which here? Come on, guys. If the stock tanks, just admit that you were wrong and just be honest enough that you're not happy with the performance of the stock. You won't always get it right, but as long as you get it right on average, as long as you're winning on average, you should be fine. You don't need to be switching sides from time to time. When the stock goes up, all of a sudden you care about the share price, but when it goes down, I'm a long-term investor. When it goes slow, I get excited because I'm gonna buy low. Come on. This is midweek market update with Lennox. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe, like the video, share the video with everyone. Excuse the violence. I know you guys have a love-hate relationship with me, but this is who I am. This is what I am. It is what it is. It's on.